Hey legal rock stars, boost your practice with Inexpensive Webchat to get more clients. Hey lawyer love bugs, with Webchat you'll enjoy more appointments, stronger leads, and reduced cost per signed client. It's easy, cheap, and effective, and without a long-term commitment. Do you keep track of how many leave your website who are looking to set an appointment? It's even worse when you're paying for advertising. Here's some Webchat perks. At least 25% of leads generated through chat with a real human want to schedule an appointment with you, and you don't even have to call them. With live web chat, they will set up an appointment on your calendar and you get notified. And 3, Facebook Messenger and Google Maps integrate. For less than $200 monthly without a long-term commitment, you can start maximizing appointments and lowering costs per signed client. Email me anytime and let's get started.